Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Orange, sky blue, dark pink, yellow, red, light pink, blue, brown, green and last light green color. So kids, I hope you have learned all the colors name. Let's start coloring grapes. So grapes we are using light green color. So kids, if you like to have grapes, then please subscribe our channel for watching more videos. Till then, enjoy these videos.